Alright, so I'm out doing a favor for a friend of a friend. My father-in-law knows this guy who has an orchard, and we live out in the sticks, so this is out in the sticks. So what happened is, he bumped this with his tractor and knocked this box over. It's a pretty strong hive, so I'm just going to put it back on the platform. It just one cinder block came out from underneath. So learn to carry stuff in your pocket. That right there is an essential beekeeping tool. So I'm gonna set this hive back upright. They're fine. They look pretty strong. They're pretty calm. But I'm gonna ease them back up here and hopefully not get stung by that doggone guinea wasp, because my wife would be dragging me out of here if I hear him. Anywho, she's over there in the air conditioner. All right, well, I get all the hard free jobs. You said I could have the honey, but I ain't taking it right now. They need it. The deep box is heavy in the middle, and the super is heavy. And they'll overwinter well with this. I think I'll come back in the spring and negotiate a split off of these, because all things considered, they should be tearing me a new one, but they're not. They just want to go home, so I'm gonna reset the platform and let them have it. As far as the double deep is concerned, this thing probably needs, it could have filled 5-6 supers. So I'm excited about these bees. I'll come back and help this guy with these. He don't live far from me and doesn't want to keep bees, so he just wants them for his orchard. I can help him with that. But yeah, they're strong. They're so strong, everything was glued together. It fell over sideways so that the frames, get on this side. When this thing fell over, it fell over like that. So all the frames would have collapsed on each other unless it was all glued together well. And they did a great job of putting it back together. I mean, gluing it together in the first place. And the most challenging part is going to be to put this roof back on this rascal. As you see, I don't want to squish all these, so I got to smoke them in before I get this done. All right, they seem to have found the entrance again. Seem to be okay with that. And once I get that done, I got to lift the back end of it up because I reoriented the box. And I'm gonna take some of these wombats that he has down there on this one. I'm actually gonna put it in the back corner underneath that super. But I'm gonna get that back on here. And that way the bees will overwinter well. All right, I've given them about 5 minutes to calm down and get something to drink. Had one girl follow me from there to there. 35, 40 yards. She stayed with me the whole way. This is a good hive. And I'll help them with this. And they got 2 entrances on here. They got the upper, the patio level. They got that covered up right now. You can't hardly see it, but it's right here. Yeah, garden. Good bees. All things considered, I'd be mad as heck. Anywho, now they're buzzing my ears again. They're just mad. But that's level enough. Just leaning forward a little bit. Probably needs to be lifted up on the back right-hand corner. Oh, that's not even under there. Well, no. Yeah, it's underneath the I-beam. So that's fine. It's leaning forward a little bit much. I might need to put a board underneath the front. I'll fish out one of these boards and put it underneath that corner. Just raise it a hair. And I'm gonna call it a day. And that's my neighborhood bee service for the week. Bye.